Is your 2022-2024 BMW 7 Series key fob 740i or 760i not working reliably? A dead battery is the most common culprit. This video guides you through a quick and easy DIY replacement, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. These fobs use a standard CR2032 battery, which we will show you how to replace. Your BMW key fob uses radio frequency signals to communicate with your car. It enables keyless entry, trunk release, and remote start. Power is provided by a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. The frequency typically uses 433 MHz or 314 MHz depending on your region. For replacing your BMW key fob battery, you'll only need a few simple tools. First, you'll need a new CR2032 battery, which is widely available and costs between $1 and $5. You'll also need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to gently open the fob without scratching it. Finally, gloves are optional but recommended to keep oils off the battery contacts. Locate the seam on the side of the fob, usually near the key blade release button. Gently pry open the two halves of the fob. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with positive side usually facing up. Insert the new CR2032 battery correctly. Snap the two halves of the fob back together. The process should only take 2 to 5 minutes. Following these important tips will ensure a successful battery replacement and protect your BMW key fob. Always use a fresh CR2032 battery. Expired or old batteries can fail prematurely and cause connectivity issues. When inserting the battery, carefully check the polarity markings. The positive side plus should face up, and incorrect orientation can prevent the fob from working. Use a plastic pry tool instead of metal to open the fob. This prevents scratches or damage to the casing during disassembly. Avoid inexpensive or counterfeit batteries, as they may leak corrosive fluids and permanently damage the internal electronics of your key fob. By following these precautions, you'll maintain your key fob's reliability and extend its lifespan. If your BMW key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, start by double-checking the battery orientation. The positive side should face up in the compartment. Next, ensure the battery contacts are clean. Wipe away any oils from your fingers or corrosion to maintain good electrical connection. Avoid cheap counterfeit batteries, as they can leak and cause corrosion. Use reputable brands like Energizer for reliable performance. Check for any physical damage to the fob from prying tools. A bent contact or cracked casing can cause intermittent signals. If issues continue despite these checks, consult your BMW owner's manual or visit a trusted mechanic for further diagnosis. A CR2032 battery in 2022-2024 BMW 7 Series key fobs typically lasts 1.5 to 2 years with moderate use. However, frequent remote starts can shorten this to 6 to 12 months. BMW is moving towards digital keys and app-based controls, potentially reducing reliance on physical fobs. Hybrid and electric vehicles increasingly use rechargeable key fobs, which may eventually be implemented in future BMW models. When deciding between DIY or professional key fob battery replacement, the choice is clear for most BMW owners. DIY replacement saves you $50 to $100 in labor costs compared to taking it to a dealership. This makes it much more cost-effective for a simple battery swap. Automotive experts from organizations like Haynes and AAA endorse DIY battery swaps as safe and straightforward. They note that most key fob issues stem from dead batteries rather than complex hardware problems. Statistics from J.D. Power show that 65% of BMW 7 Series owners replace their key fob batteries themselves, indicating it's a common and successful approach. With the right tools and this guide, you can easily do it yourself in just 2 to 5 minutes without any programming required. The benefits of DIY clearly outweigh the minimal risks, making it the smart choice for BMW owners.